Need the best job site table saw for your next project? In this video, we'll compare the top job site table saws that combine power, precision, and portability to help you work faster and cut with confidence. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIY woodworker, you'll find the right option for your budget and needs. Check the links in the description below for more information, current pricing, and the latest deals on all the table saws featured. Number 1 is the DEWALT DWE7491RS job site table saw, which delivers a smart mix of power, accuracy, and portability for any workspace. Its 10 inches blade and 32.5 inches rip capacity handle everything from trim work to larger shelving projects with ease. The rack and pinion fence system allows fast, precise adjustments, while the 15 amps motor tears through hardwood without slowing down. You'll get clean cuts at multiple angles thanks to a 3 1/8 inches depth at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. A rolling stand makes setup and breakdown simple and steady, and the retractable rails fold down for easy transport or storage. Onboard storage keeps the fence, blade guard, and push stick organized, while the dust port connects to a vacuum for a cleaner job site. It's a top pick for pros and DIYers alike. Number 2 is the Bosch GTS 1510 job site table saw, a dependable contender for pros who need power, safety, and easy mobility. It spins at 3,800 RPM for clean rip and crosscuts through fine or hardwood materials, backed by a 15 amps motor that holds steady performance under heavy use. The rack and pinion rip fence with color-coded index pins makes precise adjustments fast, while the Smart Guard system, featuring a riving knife and anti-kickback paws, keeps you protected during cuts. The gravity rise wheeled stand allows quick setup and breakdown without sacrificing stability, and the convenience brake stops the blade in roughly 3 seconds for added safety. On-tool storage keeps accessories organized, making this saw a durable, efficient choice for serious job site work. Number 3 is the Skilsaw SPT99T01 job site table saw, bringing together power, accuracy, and portability in a compact package. Its signature worm drive gearing generates strong torque for tackling tough rip cuts, appealing to both contractors and DIYers. A precision rack and pinion system allows smooth, reliable fence adjustments for fast, accurate cutting. Built for job site mobility, the saw's lightweight, compact frame makes it easy to transport, yet it still offers a 25 inches rip capacity and 2 5/8 inches depth of cut for handling larger material. All metal construction adds durability, helping it hold up under heavy daily use. Whether on a construction site or a home project, this saw delivers dependable performance without sacrificing portability. Number 4 is the Milwaukee 273620 job site table saw, offering cordless freedom without giving up cutting power. It matches the output of a 15 amps corded saw, spinning at 6,300 RPM for a wide range of cutting tasks, and its 24.5 inches rip capacity makes quick work of full plywood or OSB sheets. The Power State brushless motor keeps performance consistent under heavy load for reliable long-term use. A key highlight is one-key smart technology, letting you track the saw's location and monitor performance right from your phone for added security. Onboard storage keeps the riving knife, push stick, and fence organized, and compatibility with M18 batteries makes it a natural fit for anyone already in the Milwaukee ecosystem. Tool-free blade changes round out its user-friendly design. Number 5 is the SKIL TS630700 job site table saw, a solid pick for anyone who wants reliable cutting power without a big price tag. A 15 amps motor spinning at 4,600 RPM handles a wide range of materials, and the 10 inches blade offers a roomy 25.5 inches rip capacity for cutting large plywood or OSB sheets. Portability is a strong point here, with an integrated folding stand that makes setup and breakdown quick and stable, ideal for moving between job sites. A 247-degree bevel range adds cutting versatility, while the rack and pinion fence system ensures accurate results every time. A dust port and micro adjustment feature for blade alignment round out its practical, user-friendly design, all at an affordable price. Number 6 is the Ryobi 1 Plus HP PBL-TS01B Jobsite Table Saw, offering cordless convenience without giving up performance. Powered by 1 Plus HP technology, it reaches up to 4,500 RPM and can rip up to 240 linear feet per charge with two 4.0 Ah batteries, making it a practical option for pros and DIYers alike. Its steel frame adds durability, while a 12 inches rip capacity handles larger workpieces with ease. Rack and pinion height adjustment offers precise depth control, and the self-aligning fence keeps cuts straight. Onboard storage keeps the push stick and blade guard organized, and compatibility with the 1 Plus battery lineup adds versatility. Lightweight and cordless, it's a strong pick for job sites or home shops, backed by a 3-year warranty. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best job site table saws. We hope this guide helped you find the right saw for your woodworking or construction projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the links in the description below for more details, current prices, and the latest deals on all the table saws featured. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.